먼저 데려야 다데 Sydney Nubro Sydney Nub the Sake Tharballing or the Sake Tharballing Rumbucheda Donju to or the Kongi Kodi Chen Trin Yada on the budget Nimani Dongargi Nimani and the Chere and from the Kuzam the shoe that the Niman Hamandel at the name on number and a daily then Rumbuche the Tagana Shikan number Shis Pedu and a Kimbola Pesha Barongo Kimbola Pedu. Tagana Jibam Mune Mangusha, Netawala Nambi Loma, or Tanji, Tagana Jingi, Tabum in Yoruba, on the Lake and the Tenet, a train Jogargi, Jogar, visit to Dash Urena, Sydney Shipolo, on the Choga de Tene, Choga and the Donado, on the Vedo, on to Setadi, train the Zom de Tati Karas and Achidanta, Saga Homer Muche, and the Shivaji on Tatalo. And Chinda Jubet several soon at the Pebegi, so Calendar Laura Peda, Lotus and Atisha, so to Puna get you pay your and the Tapanasage Bagi, Lama Chiba, Shajiba, and a Pekadin Chimbu, Sabe Lama, on the Hong Kiche to Tenicasa Kale Yachida, and a Conta would say Rimbushire, Tagana Sing it, or Tene Usul and Deha. Tagana Shibandana Metudi Shirun Tada, Dubeshedu, Kazak Halat and the teaching your do the Ken Soroch, Teneson and Chitum, what a sitting she couldn't get out the button, a man number Tenevala and Tenet Romel, Sumasana do, or Tenetella, such a woman which I sang and do Nasagadua, wanting that into Sama, Tenelama, and then Put it there one, put it in one, the Kukam there was not Tagana Sheta, Teleta, Yam Jakam Kundu, Timber Tari, Dodun, she has some kind of pen for it. Want to take it in the and then to done to me, so man, number get from us on the journal do. And you should national Teresha, education, natural.
So, to Chino music that what him and the Tandaya Nala Peshu Sungda.
Lala son.
Lots of Tojichen, Nidula. Lots of
of His Holiness the 41st Sakya Goma Chichen Rinpoche.
The Kushan and the Kubaruba. Kindle number done, Gishin number, Gavishing number, Dana's Devin and number of Samana and the 3D model Sunday Shui, then on the Alcoma Day, the Salem Bush, Tizzy Shadiba, only done,
What is the very essence of compassion, wisdom, and spiritual guidance? His tireless dedication to the Dharma has illuminated the lives of countless beings, guiding us on the path of liberation and benefiting all sentient beings. It is our privilege and our responsibility to offer our prayers for His Holiness' continued health, longevity, and flourishing activities.
Such a woman which is Shizu Shashi, Kumachijan, Hong, Vena, and the Ninja Hansu, Seven Hansu, Cherab Hansu, Teranashi, and the children they take that more and the Hong, and the baby tone. College and Kasaka page to the end of the Sinjam Shirami, Pentoy,
As we come together in prayer and meditation, let us remember the immeasurable kindness of His Holiness and renew our aspirations to uphold the Dharma with unwavering faith and dedication. May our prayers and offerings contribute to His Holiness' long life so that He may continue to turn the wheel of Dharma for the benefit of all beings.
And around the Tayam Zong, and the Shandon, Gom Gap, Teleship and Negasu, and around the sending on the chain where the Sedapman Bushi, and the Semi and the Ninja and Chamba, they and the chain, the other thing around the habitual, the Ya and Zimba, the Soma, the Dish, the other Sedapman Bushi, and the Tabat and your Tony, and the Tabat and Sending to the Channel and the bottom of the change. Zomba the day, the train, Chibato, Chuba, 렌저 때는 살아보면 고저를 예토다가 대나 때는 공부 노트에 배치해 놓고 선배들이 시도 든 것들이 근데 제가 통해
Thank you for gathering being auspicious and may bring immense merit to everyone involved. Please be upstanding as we now we would like to invite Kempos, Geshes and distinguished guests to follow Rinpoche to escort His Holiness 41st Gongma Trinchen Rinpoche's photo to the city.
We really need a teacher like him on this earth for peace, global harmony, as well as social and family harmony.
지난 500초 세계 어디 되게 좀 있는
In this context, the Guru is emerged not just as a teacher, but as an embodiment of Buddha's wisdom and compassion, helping to transmit teachings and practices that might be otherwise inaccessible.
This one is
Overall, dignity of Buddhist teaching and practices.
That Geshe Devana has a very short lifespan. He's going to live for a very short time. So therefore he was very, as if everybody would, very upset. And then he somehow met a master called Lenapa. And he mentioned it to Master Lenapa and then said, Lenapa, I have a very special practice. If you do this practice, then you won't need to take any medication. You won't need anything else, but if you do this practice, then it's going to help you increase your lifespan. So therefore, Geshe Tepa received this particular Vartara practice, and so with that, Geshe Tepa practiced Vartara practice. So he managed to live up. So his lifespan was increased by 10 more years, and then again repeated with an asking to throw particular tanka of Vartara, and his life will be increased further. So in that way, his lifespan was increased up to 93 years of age, and when he was supposed to be living only for a short time. So this is the blessing that comes with this particular practice. So this practice is being done to dedicate for the longevity.
So
Argam zapada zabirozo androzo ngedan soba kongreso precipitoso konso son bingen namasavada dangada bayo jeba ke basavada sarana balandezo kongre do precipitoso konso son bingen namasavada dangada bayo jeba ke basavada ke sarana balandezo kongre do precipitoso konso son bingen